So hey guys, welcome to Dev Domain. Today's video we are going to see some exciting job updates and all the links will be in the description. So if you want to apply any particular job, so I will provide the link in the description. From there you can apply for that job. So let's start. So first hiring is conducted by the Superset and they are hiring for business analyst and the location will be Bangalore and this is the job description. This is all about Superset and these are the requirements. As you can see, requirements to the dashboards, build and ship, funnel and cohort analysis and many more. And here you can see tech and tools. So core data stack like SQL such as MySQL, then Amazon Redshift, Metabase and Elasticsearch is required. And if you have this kind of skills like Apache Airflow, AWS DMS, then basic data modeling and versioning ETL as track, transform and load. And then collaboration stacks such as Jira, then Confluence, Google Sheets, Excel, API basics. So if you have this kind of skills, you can apply for the job. So to apply for the job, so you have to click on this easy apply and you can apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the HCL Tech and they are hiring for multiple roles such as automation testing, .NET, Java, Oracle, SQL and Mainframe. So this kind of roles they are hiring and freshers can be applied for the job and these are the locations. So in multiple locations they are hiring like Pune, Noida, Mathurai, Vijayawada, Nagpur, Hyderabad, Lucknow, Chennai and Bangalore. So this kind of locations they are hiring for multiple roles. So fresh graduates from BE, BTech, MSc, MCA in core engineering streams with the minimum percentage of 70 in the academics. They are hiring in various roles like automation testing, .NET development, then full stack Java development, Oracle, PL SQL development, then mainframe development. So job description. So for automation testing, Selenium is required. Then for .NET development, so you should have the idea about .NET, okay, C Sharp, then .NET framework. Then for full stack development, like you should have the idea about both front end and the back end using Java, Spring Boot and Angular or React. Then for Oracle developer, you should have the idea about database such as MySQL, then PL SQL, etc. Then for main framework development, you should have the idea about COBOL, JCL. Here you can see the line is repeated. BE, BTech, MSc, you should have completed and you should have 70% in your academics. So if you want to apply for the job, so you have to click on this apply and you can apply for the job. So next hiring is conducted by the Zoho and they are hiring for software debug engineer and 0 to 3 years of experience can be applied for the job. That means freshers can be applied for the job and work location will be Chennai and the interview location is Coimbatore. So this is the job description. So you should have the passionate about troubleshooting, debugging and resolving the production issues. So they are looking for learn and understand the architecture and working of components and services. Then you should have the good debugging skills and if you have the knowledge about coding, so it will be the big plus point. Ability to communicate clearly and coordinate with the stakeholders. You have to work in the shifts and you should have good communication skills. So if you have this kind of skills, so you can apply for this job. And here is the note. only shortlisted candidates will be notified for the further rounds. 2026 graduates are not eligible for this interview process. So you have to fill this registration form and you can apply for this job. So next hiring is conducted by the EPAM, and they are hiring for junior software engineer as a trainee. And this is the job summary. You can see you will undergo intensive 5 months of training program as you join the company, and these are the key responsibilities as you can see. And here the requirements are: you should have the strong understanding about the computer science fundamentals, including data structures and algorithms, and OOPS concept, that is object oriented programming concept, proficiency in at least one programming language, basic knowledge of SQL and database concept, then familiar with the version controls such as Git and build automation tools, have the good analytical problem solving skills and communication skills, and ability to work in a team. During 5 months of training, so you will get the stipend around 27,500 per month, and after that you will get the full-time opportunity, that is PPO, and the package will be around 8 LPA. And these are the criteria. So in your academics you should have 70% aggregate in the graduation in BE, BTech or MSc, and minimum 60% in both 10th and 12th. And this is for 2025 graduates, and you should have no active backlogs, and you should have no gap between 10th and 12th, and maximum 1 year gap is allowed between 12th and the graduation. You have this kind of skill set, so you can apply for this job. So to apply, you have to click on this apply now, and then you can apply for this job. So next hiring is conducted by the IBM, and it will be the off-campus opportunity, and they are hiring for entry-level software developers. You should have this kind of skill set like programming skills in Java, C++, Python or Node.js, strong understanding about SDLC, that is software development lifecycle concepts, and you should have no active backlogs, and you must have completed a BE or BTech in computer science or related fields with the 6 CGPA or 60% or above. So this is the criteria, and only 2025 graduates can be applied for this job, and you should have good communication skills, and here is the link, you can apply for this job. So this is all about this video. So thank you for watching this video.